In a significant policy move, President Donald Trump has announced that the United States will impose a 100% tariff on pharmaceutical products. The announcement comes amid ongoing trade negotiations with India and an investigation into the US pharmaceutical sector, which could pave the way for future tariff adjustments. As per Trump's announcement, a 100% tariff will be levied on branded and patented pharma products starting October 1, 2025. Companies that are building or constructing manufacturing plants in the US will not be subject to the tariff. The tariff is aimed at encouraging pharma companies to set up production facilities in the US, reducing dependency on foreign imports. And the move comes as the US and India engage in discussions over a trade deal with a particular focus on the pharma sector. Notably, this also comes amid the investigation into the pharma industry, which was initiated in April 2025 and is partly based on national security concerns which could influence future import policies. But there are already current tariffs that have been imposed on India. India is already facing a 50% tariff on pharma products in addition to a 25% penalty for purchasing Russian oil. And therefore, Indian pharma companies are going to be impacted. India, notably, is the largest exporter of generic drugs to the US with exports worth $8.73 billion in 2024, accounting for 31% of total US pharma imports. Generics represent 40% of all prescriptions in the US, and Indian generics have saved the US healthcare system about $219 billion in 2022 and $1.3 trillion between 2013 and 2022. Indian manufacturers supply nearly half of the generic drugs covered by Medicare and commercial insurance plans. Major Indian pharma companies including Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, Lupin and Aurobindo are heavily reliant on the US market for their revenue. But there are other tariff announcements as well. In addition to the pharma tariff, President Trump revealed plans for tariffs on several other industries to promote domestic production. 25% tariff on heavy trucks starting October 1, 2025. 50% tariff on kitchen cabinets and bathroom vanities, and 30% tariff on upholstered furniture starting October 1, 2025. Now, while the tariff is designed to incentivize domestic production, it may also reshape trade dynamics, particularly with key trading partners like India. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.